Yo guys, what's good? It's your boy JTW, and today I'm going to be cleaning my Oculus because it has been well overdue. And there are various components that I need to clean, and I need to disconfigure certain parts. So I'm going to be showing you how to do those, as well as what I did to clean my headset. So the first thing was removing the mask off the headset. I'm just going to call it a headset, but yeah, you guys know what I mean. And then it was a case of removing the strap from the slot and snapping off the sides to actually detach the strap from the headset. And yeah, you just need to apply a bit of force. Don't be scared. I know it feels like it's going to snap, but it won't. So then I decided to use a baby wipe to wipe the inside of the headset. Make sure to not touch the baby wipe on the lens because that can affect the lens and damage it. And then I just used tissue paper to just dry the inside and make sure that it was all clean and fresh. So yeah, next thing was soaking the straps in a bit of hot water, and I added some detergent. I allowed it to sit for a couple of minutes, and after a while I got a soft bristled toothbrush to just rub off all the excess dirt, and I also soaked the rubber mask in there as well. I also used this soft bristled toothbrush to clean the straps on that come with the little controller pad things. Then I used a baby wipe to wipe down the mask itself, and for this, because it was felt, I just soaked it in a bit of water and added some soap, and yeah, that was all good. So now it's time to reconfigure everything, and I had to put this rubber mask on the plastic mask, and it is the most painful experience ever. I even had to take it off camera just to do, because it was just being a pain in the backside, and yeah, just don't like that experience at all. So yeah, eventually got it all together with no crinkles, and it was ready to be reattached to my headset. So now it's a case of just reattaching everything together. So I first put the strap in the hole and attach it to the back. You may need to readjust it according to your head. I just attached it randomly, but when I put it on my head, I had to reconfigure it because yeah, your boy's got a big head. You know, all of that juice and intelligence flowing up here, man. It's not easy. But yeah, just have to snap the sides back on until you hear a nice click. And anytime now, Johnny, you can do it. Nice, great. And then it's a case of attaching the next side on, and you will hear that snap again. Whee! And yeah, then it's a case of just putting the mask back in. If you wear glasses, you will need to put the glasses spacer first in and then attach the mask. And yeah, your boy is now ready to play his games with a fresh, clean headset. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. It's been your boy Johnny. Love.